गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों। माई सेल्फ ओम प्रकाश, फैकल्टी ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू deliver a lecture on group theory, in which we are studying some exa- examples of cyclic group, which are the subject of abstract algebra under the stream mathematics. And this subject is taught in BSc, BA, PCF, 6 semesters too. These are the lesson plan. These are the step for planning a lesson. These are the components of lesson plan. Now, we are going to start the cyclic group, a short recap of cyclic group, and then some example of cyclic group in this lecture. Cyclic group. As we earlier see that a group G is called a cyclic. So a group G is called a cyclic group if there exists an element A. There exists an element A belongs to G such that every element of G can be expressed as a power of A. As a power of A. As a power of A. In this case, A is called the generator of G. In this case, A is called the generator of G. And already we see that the generator may or may not unique. The generator may or may not unique. That means more than one generator of a group may be possible for a cyclic group. For example, let us consider the group Zn equals to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 n minus 1. Addition modulo n. Addition modulo n, where n always greater than equals to 1, is a cyclic group. Is a cyclic group. We want to find the generator of this cyclic group. Now, 1 and minus 1 equals to n minus 1 will be its generator. 1 and minus 1 equals to n minus 1 will be its generator. But it can be seen with the help of live example. And we see that in this example, it can have more generator. It can be have more generator. Now let us consider Z8. Let us consider Z8. That means if n equals to 8. If n equals to 8, then our group will become Z8 equals to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, 7. Addition modulo 8. Because our group is defined as Zn equals to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 n minus 1 addition modulo n. And which is a cyclic group. We want to find the generator of this cyclic group. For example, we have choose Z8 equals to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, 7 addition modulo 8. Here n minus 1 addition modulo n. Here 7 addition modulo n. 8. Then we can check that 1, 3, 5, 7 will be generator of Z8. Will be generator of Z8. Will be the generator of Z8. That means 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. That means odd numbers. Now we are checking that 3 to the power 1. 1 is obviously the generator of all these numbers, because when we add 1 plus 1 equals to 2, which are already the element of this one, 1 plus 1 equal to 3, which are already the element of this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals to 4, which are already the element of 1. Similarly, now we are going to check the generator 3. 3 to the power 1 equals to 3. 3 power 2 equals to 3. Ring sum 3 equals to 6. 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 3. Ring sum 3. Ring sum 3 equals to 1. Sorry, 9. And 9 is 9, and which is divisible when we divide it by 8, we get 1. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 4 equals to 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 4, and so on. Here, don't be confused about these 1 and these 4, because 3 raised to the power 3 equals to 3 ring sum 3 ring sum 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, but it's a addition modulo 8. When we divide this with 8, the remainder will be 1. That's why the 1 will exist here. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 3 equals to 1. Then here we can write 3 raised to the power 4 equals to 3 ring sum 3 ring sum 3 ring sum 3. But these 3 ring sum will become 1. Ring sum 3 equals to ring sum equals to 4, and so on. We can move on. That is 3 is the generator of the given. 3 is the generator of the given group. Here 3 6 1 4 7 2 5, or that is 3. Similarly, we can find the generator of 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. When we divide it with 8, we got the remainder 2, which are already the element of that group. Therefore, obvious that also that 1 7 and 3 5 are each others inverses, 1 and 7 are inverse of each other, and 3 and 5 are also inverse of each other. And then we already see that in the definition that the inverse of the element is also the generator of that element. That means if A is the generator, then A inverse must be generator of that group under the given binary operation. On the other hand, UN, the group under multiplication modulo n, is not cyclic for every n. For instance, U5 is cyclic, but U8 is not cyclic. U5 is cyclic, but U8 is not cyclic. With the help of these example, we prove one theorem that order of a cyclic group is equal to the order of its generator. The order of a cyclic group is equal to the order of its generator, and which can be taught you in your next class. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope all of you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you for the watching this lecture video.